The P0868 code means the transmission control module is seeing low hydraulic pressure in the transmission. In simple terms, the pressure that moves clutches and gears isn't building up like it should, so shifting gets messed up or delayed. The first cause could be dirty or low transmission fluid. If the fluid is low, old, or full of debris, it can't build the pressure needed to shift properly. Always check your transmission fluid level, color, and smell first. If it's dark or burnt, that's a problem. The second cause could be a faulty transmission pressure sensor. This sensor monitors pressure inside of the valve body and reports it to the TCM. If the sensor fails, the computer might think pressure is low, even if it's not. The third cause could be a worn transmission pump. If the pump can't create the right pressure, the whole system will run weak. This usually comes with hard shifting or slipping between gears. The fourth cause could be a clogged transmission filter or valve body passage. If something is restricting fluid flow, it'll lower pressure and trigger this code. The fifth cause could be a bad pressure control solenoid. The solenoid controls fluid pressure inside of the transmission. If it fails, the TCM can't adjust the pressure correctly and the code will set. The sixth cause could be damaged wiring or poor connections to the pressure sensor or solenoid. Broken wires, corroded plugs, or loose terminals can mess with the sensor signal or solenoid operation, tricking the TCM into thinking there's a pressure issue. The last cause could be a faulty TCM. This is rare, but if the TCM isn't reading sensor data correctly or failing to command the solenoids, it could throw the P0868 code. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.